Hello, this is Jeff from Vocal Boost to Go. Today I want to show you what to expect when you get the FlexTee Stand. And we're going to show you this a little unboxing video. To begin with, the box itself is 5 by 5 inches and by 45, and the weight is 13 pounds. So people ask what the weight of that, that's what it is. So inside we have base of the tripod, base of the stand. We have the T-bar, the extensions, flexible arms. This is the microphone stand pole. The reason for that is if you want to use FlexTee Stand with the VOMO, that's the only way you're going to use it, or if you want to use it with the microphone, of course. Now we also include 8 S-hooks and the knobs. S-hooks, knobs, microphone stand extension, T-bar, foldable arms, height extension, and the base of the stand. So to assemble the stand, first expand the legs, and then you can insert the pole inside. Unscrew the knob, loosen up the knob, and put it in. So the next step, insert the T-bar in the pole, loosen up the knob first, put it in, all the way in, and then you can tighten up the knob. These extensions go in just like that. Align the holes and insert the knob. To make it easier with that, I just hold this down and screw the top portion in. And the same on the other side. When you see the T-bar has a cut over here and a smaller cut over here, that means the arms can only be folded forward like that. And the very first time it might be a little bit tight because of the how close this actually is. Here you go. The first time you break it slightly. If it's too tight, you might just do like this, hop, and then it's gonna work. Because in the beginning there's a little bit paint, and because it's very tight, so it might be difficult. And then you can just tighten up the knobs again. Set up the position as necessary, and that's it. When you raise the top portion first, and you can secure it in the slot like that, and also tighten it up. Then if it's not enough, you can raise the bottom part, and that bottom part also can be secured with the pin. Those pins help support the poles when the blankets are very heavy. So when you have two, you can even hang 2 blankets on that. Now this portion over here, if you unscrew that knob, it allows you to expand the legs. And if you have heavy blankets, it's better than you have more area to support the stand. It's going to be more durable, more stable. It's going to be more stable, like that. Now this piece, this is for the microphone stand. If you want to use the stand with VOMO, instead of the T-bar, you can insert the microphone pole and tighten it up. And this way you're going to mount the VOMO. So when you need to put the blankets on, we provided these S hooks. 8 S hooks included, because each blanket has 8 grommets. And you just hook them up on the frame first. And then take the blanket, and it's better to start from the center. This way, the center of the gravity is going to be distributed evenly, and the FlexTee stand is not going to fall on one side or the other. After that, raise up the top pole. And here you go. The advantage of FlexTee stand is that you can open it up completely flat like this, or you can fold the arms forward. And now, if you put your microphone, it will be protected from 3 sides. Sometimes people want to put additional blanket on. In this case, if you want to put additional blanket on, you can purchase additional S hooks, the set of S hooks, and then you hook it up in the same hole, but from the outside. Not on the same double layer, but from the outside. This way, the weight is going to distribute evenly. And it's not going to be overpowering forward. And again, now you hang also from the center. You can just fold the blanket, double up, and this middle is going to be a center, and hang it from this side. Now we have doubled up blanket. In case there is a critical area, you have blanket doubled up. It also allows a little space in between two. So hanging blankets this way also adds a little space in between them, which is better for sound absorption and for soundproofing. Raising it up may be a little bit more challenging now because you have to slide in between. But it can still possible. And here you go. You have double layer blanket. That's it. The booth with a view.